Baby Ati will open the box. What's the box? From, what's this one, Mahal? From, what? Read it. A. What? Amazon. Okay, game. Open the box. Okay, what's in the box? It's a It's a Downy. It's a Downy. Yeah. Oh, be careful. One Downy. Two Downy. Be careful. Three Downy. Four Downy. Okay, four Downies. Yeah. And then what's?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, what's that?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
This one.
This one, yes.
No.
What?
This one.
Yeah. What's that?
Yay.
Yay! Hooray! We have a new toothpaste. High five. Yeah. Woo. Okay, good. And then what else? What's that?
This is so. This was too hard
I don't- You can open this one first.
No.
Why? You want to carry? It's heavy. Nana will carry it. Because it's heavy. I told you. Oh, you can open it. Take it in. Oh. Oh. What's that? One butter. Oh. What's this?
Two poppers.
Tooth pampers.
Oh.
Two pampers. Your panty at night. It's finished? Your box is empty? It's finished? Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.